Hey guys, in this video I go from looking like that to this. First, I used e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and Makeup Revolution's foundation for my base. Use a beauty sponge to tap it into your skin, and use any translucent powder to set the foundation. Sephora's matte black eyeshadow is used to create smoky eyes. Drag the eyeshadow below the lower lash line. Continue to use the eyeshadow to fill in your eyebrows. Contour your nose to create an illusion where it is thinner. Continuing to contour, hollow out your cheeks. I like to drag the shade to where my dimples sit. Use a black liquid liner to draw on a traditional wing. Then, from there, create a line that is placed above your natural crease. Drag it until it lands above your inner corner. Then, add a circle of liner. Brush black eyeshadow onto your lips in a circular shape, focusing mostly on the center. I was really contemplating on adding lines that drag above the eye. I decided against it. Instead, I created streaks extending from the center of my lower lash line using eyeshadow. Apply false lashes. Add black gel liner to your waterline and extend the inner corner of your eye by adding a triangle of liner, pointing to your nose. Add liner to the center of your lip. Finish the look off by adding lines horizontally across your nose in black matte eyeshadow. Please leave a like and subscribe. Peace.